Okay, today we're going to learn how to do long division the standard way. So the difference between the standard and the long form is that this now represents your equal line. So if we place 3 as our divisor and 452 as our dividend, we would say this is 452 divided by 3. We start the exact same way as before, and we have the same 3 steps: divide, multiply, subtract. Okay? So we're going to look at this question, and we're going to think, how many times does 3 go into 4? We know that 3 goes into 4 one time, so we are going to place our 1 on the equal line, and we will now multiply. 1 times 3 is 3, and we will place that 3 below the 4. Same as before, we're going to subtract. The difference is that we ignore these two numbers until we've used each number in sequence from the beginning to the end. So 4 take away 3 is 1. Now what I do is I bring down my 5 to add it to the 1. So now I'm looking at 15. How many times does 3 go into 15? We know 3 goes into 15 5 times. Now we've divided, so now we're multiplying again. 5 times 3 is 15. We subtract, and we're left with 0. We're not done yet because we haven't used this 2, so we need to bring our 2 all the way down to the bottom. And then we say, how many times does 3 go into 2? And it doesn't. So we'll add a 0 here to hold our place, and we will say our answer is 150, remainder 2. Let's try one more question. Let's try 458 divided by 2. So again, we're just going to start with our 4. Divide, multiply, subtract. 2 goes into 4 2 times, then we multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, and we subtract. And we are left with 0 here. Now we want to bring down our 5 and add it to our remaining numbers here. So then we think, how many times does 2 go into 5? Well, 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4, so we write down our 4, and we're left with 1 after we subtract. We still have our 8, so we need to bring our 8 all the way down. And now we're looking at how many times does 2 go into 18? Well, we know that 2 times 9 is 18, so 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract, and we get 0. Now some people like to add a b at the end. Divide, multiply, subtract, b, and the b stands for bring down.